Another string topic that you may come across are what is called multi-line strings. So let's add that as a header. Multi-line strings. What does that mean? Well, let's look at where it could be an issue. So let's say you've got a long string. Let's say it's, I don't know, it's about some adventure that you took. So my adventure today, I went out for a walk before going out to lunch, and then I decided, now look, it's going to run out, okay? So you have a choice. You could keep going. Decided to take a drive to the marina, but then you can't see everything. So you might say, well, you know what? I'm going to press return and do it like that. Well, the color coding is helpful here, right? You can see that it's broken. You know, when you press return, Python no longer interprets that as a string. You know, you can press Shift Enter and see what it does. It says EOL while scanning string literal. So it says, sees the first quotation, says, hey, this is a string, but it's looking for it on the same line. And so it's trying to interpret this as a new line. So what's needed here is actually a multi-line string. By the way, it is fine to go as long as you want on one line. That's actually okay. Just to show you, if I press Shift Enter here, yeah, totally fine. But to copy that, how would you use a multi-line string? Well, you can use triple quotes. That's the key. So instead of single quotes, use triple. So 1, 2, 3 quotation marks. And then you can see the color coding is preserved. I usually put my triple quotes on their own lines. You can do it either way. Now I'm even wondering, can we do that in the sense of its adventures on the previous line? Well, I actually think one of the most enjoyable ways to learn little things like this about Python is just to experiment and try. So press Shift Enter. It does say invalid syntax because it was expecting it on the same line. But the point is, once you do put that triple quote up there, then you're free to go to as many lines as you want. Okay? So that is how you write a multi-line string.